This Rimac Nevera R hides a secret track-focused weapon that makes standard hypercars look like toys. While most EVs focus on straight-line speed, Rimac engineers completely redesigned the aero profile. They added a massive fixed rear wing and a radical diffuser that cranks up downforce by 15%. It is not just about raw power, but how this beast manipulates the air at 200 miles per hour. The grip levels are so extreme that it defies the laws of physics on every single corner. Would you trust this much electric power on a tight track? Or do you think this level of performance is just complete overkill for a road car? Because once you experience the sheer force of this aerodynamic masterpiece, you realize that